All right. Welcome back, Sugar Gliders. We're continuing part 2 of lesson 3 using the shortcut. And we are live from Emerson. All right. Want to know the shortcut? Let's look through this. Sometimes you can simplify before multiplying fractions. So if we can simplify before we actually multiply, it makes the problem easier. We have smaller numbers to work with. So this is called actually cross-canceling, not cross-multiplying, because you're crossing things out. So we're going to look at the numbers that go across from each other. For example, 3 is across from 5 and 2 is across from 8. Okay? Step number 1, look at the 2 and look at the 8. Ask yourself, do they have a common factor? Do 2 and 8 have a common factor? Everyone? What is it? 2. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to divide both the 2 and the 8 by that 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, so I'm going to cross out that old number 2 and put a 1 there. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So I'm going to cross out that old number 8 and put a 4 there. So I simplified like 2/8 going across to 1/4, okay? I showed you the division of 2, but you don't have to write that in there because that'll confuse you with too many numbers. So let's take that out. I just wanted to show you how I got those numbers. All right, the next step. Now multiply as usual using your new numbers. Okay, it makes the problem easier when the numbers are smaller, and almost always your answer will be simplified. Sometimes you just have to double check because it doesn't work all the time. So 3 times 1 is? 3. 4 times 5 is? 20. Got it? Try these to find out. So pause the tape and go ahead and work quietly on your own. All right, tape was paused. Welcome back. What did you simplify the 4 and the 12 to be? What one number divides both 4 and 12? Sophia. Okay, so let's cross out the 4 and the 12. What's 4 divided by 4? And what's 12 divided by 4? So I'm going to use my new numbers of 1 and 3 because 4/12 simplifies to 1/3. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 5 times 3 is 15. We're done simplifying. It would have been 4 times 1 is 4, and 5 times 12 is 60, and I would have had to simplify 4/60ths. Is 12 times 5 60? No. 12 times 5 is? Is it? Okay, thanks for your help. Sometimes I get confused. All right, would these numbers be easier to simplify first? All right, which ones can be crossed out? Georgia. Yeah, so 3 and 9 have a common factor. What are you going to divide them both by? You're going to divide them both by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And I can go the other way. Do 4 and 8 have a common factor? What is it? 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And you multiply your new numbers across and you get 1/6. That would have been easier than taking 12/72 and having to simplify. And then our last one. These are really big numbers that would be really helpful to simplify first. What are you going to do, Kevin? Divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 21 divided by 3 is? That's where you got your 7. What can I do to the 6 and the 5, Jack? Yeah, 6 and the 15. Do they have a common factor? 3. So 6 divided by 3 is? And 15 divided by 3 is? All right. Easier numbers. What's 1 times 2? 2. 5 times 7? 2/35. Good job, guys. You want to say goodbye?
Bye.